Now it's 6:19 on this Friday morning. I'm meteorologist Jeremiah Stewart coming at you this morning, and it kind of goes without saying that it's been a very hot week across West Texas. Yesterday was one of the hottest days of the week so far, right around 95 officially off towards Midland, 96 into Abilene, and about 92 into St. Angelo. But notice some spots into our higher terrain struggle to get out of those upper 80s thanks to some of those showers. That'll be the same case as we go throughout the afternoon and evening for our Friday as well. Out over downtown St. Angelo, looking at mainly clear skies, that temperature right around 69 degrees, with temperatures really pretty much universally into those upper 60s and lower to middle 70s. Right around 73 into Midland, sitting at about, say, 69 in St. Angelo, as I mentioned, about 68 up towards Cisco, then Eastland this morning, the cool spot at about 63 degrees. So we'll take it. It's fairly muggy out there, though, this morning, so be aware of that as you head out the door for this morning. My weather headlines for today, we're calling for mostly sunny skies. Some of those mountain showers and some of those same spots we've been seeing the past several days. By the weekend, going to be hot. We'll be close to 100 for sure on Saturday and Sunday. And we'll really stick with this hot pattern as we go into all the next week here in West Texas. This morning, a quick look at our radar and satellite imagery. Fairly quiet across our region, but pretty active into southeast Texas. Some moderate to heavy rainfall off towards our friends near the Beaumont area, impacting Lufkin and Jasper for this morning. Not expecting any of that activity to make it off this way, but we do see a small flare up in some of those same spots as yesterday near the Marfa and Alpine area, about a 10 to 15% coverage there. We dry those out fairly quickly this evening, and as we go into Saturday, we're just left behind with some clouds, and those winds continuing out of the southeast for Saturday at about 5 to 15 miles an hour. So for today, we're looking at a hot one across West Texas, right around 95 into Odessa, officially forecasting about 97 into Midland, 97 as well into Abilene, and about, say, 96 into the Winners area. So it's going to be hot for sure. And my full 7-day forecast across the Big Country and the Concho Valley, we'll stick with middle to upper 90s through the weekend, right around 100 as we start off next week into Abilene. And really the same deal through Midland and Odessa as well. Going to be hot and steamy for the next 7 days. Mountain showers in my forecast for this afternoon, not expecting much there. And we could see some more of those on Monday and Tuesday afternoons, but really nothing to write home about. In the grand scheme of things, just going to be a hot and dry stretch of weather as we go throughout the next 7 days. So be sure to, practice those heat precautions, taking those breaks indoors, and of course, staying hydrated across West Texas if you have to be outdoors.